Welcome to the Voxtelesys Portal Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll be demonstrating a new feature in our portal called the Voxtelesys Voice API. Our API offers an easy and secure solution to create and control voice calls. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a connection between computers or pieces of software so they can communicate with each other. In order to get started with our Voice API, sign into the Voxtelesys portal. If you're new and do not have an account, you can get started by creating an account at portal.voxtelesys.net. If you have an account but no portal access, contact Voxtelesys support. The support phone number is 701-929-9797, and the support email is support@voxtelesys.com. To set up the Voice API in the Voxtelesys portal, you'll first have to create an API key. From the Voxtelesys dashboard, click on APIs, then click on Keys from the dropdown. From here, click on Create Key. From the dialog box, enable the API key, then type in a custom name for your API key. Finally, select the trunk group you wish to associate with the API key from the dropdown. When you're done, click on Save. Next, click on APIs, then click on Voice API from the dropdown. Click on the Bins tab. Click on the plus sign to create a bin file that will be used to store the VoxXML data. VoxXML is an instruction or series of instructions that tells your API what to do. You can find a more detailed description of our Voice API, including VoxXML, in our API documentation. Fill in the description of the Voice API bin, then fill in the XML information. Once you're done, click on OK. Click on the Profiles tab. From here, click on the plus sign to add a new Voice API profile, which determines the source of the VoxXML for your Voice API configuration. Fill in a description of your profile. If you wish to use this profile by default when you create calls in the Voice API, check this box. Select the trunk group from the drop-down that you wish to use with this API. Select the source type of either bin or URL. Choose the one you wish to retrieve the XML data from. For this video, we'll leave it on bin. Select our bin file we created earlier. Click on OK when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voice API in the Voxtelesys portal. Check back for more videos, as we're continually adding new content.